What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this one we're going to be going over how to perform a factory reset on your Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. So let's begin with the video now. Welcome to Serg-Tech. Our mission is to help you get the most out of your tech through reviews and tutorials. If that is something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell to get notified when we release a new video. And there's going to be useful links below in the description covering everything that we discuss in this video. With that being said, let's get right into it. So first of all, a factory reset removes all user data from a device and reverses it back to default settings. Or to be more exact, returns it to the way it was when you first purchased the device or got it. Now we're going to have two ways to do it, and the first one will be through our settings, and the second one will be in case you don't know your password and you have no way to access your settings menu. So for the first method, what we want to do is unlock our device right now as I'm doing on the screen, and then we will go to our settings menu. Right here, when we are on the settings menu, what we want to do is head over all the way down to where it says General Management. Right here in General Management, we're going to have the menu at the bottom that says Reset. So we're going to tap on it, and then we're going to have Factory Data Reset as a fourth option. So we're going to tap on it, and then it will warn us that all data will be erased from our tablet, including the Google accounts, system, settings, downloaded apps, and even more. So if we scroll down a little bit more, we're going to see the option that says Reset, and then it's going to ask you for your password in case you do have one. So we enter it, and then we're going to have the last option that's going to say delete all. Now, if you can't access to your device because you forgot your password, then what you want to do, the first step, it will be plug in your tablet into any computer that you have with your Type-C to Type-C cable. Once the tablet is connected to a computer, what you want to do is press and hold right here the power off button and also the volume down button. So we want to do that, and let's just wait until the screen goes black. Once the screen is completely black, you want to let go and press volume up and the power button. We're going to wait until we see the Samsung Galaxy logo, so let's just wait a couple of seconds. It shouldn't take that long. Right here, when we see the Samsung logo, we're going to let go, and we should be taken into this recovery mode menu, where you can see we're going to have plenty of options like reboot system now, reboot to bootloader. What you want to do is go up and down with the volume keys until you see the wipe data and factory reset. We're going to tap the power button to select that menu, and they're going to ask us if we want to wipe all the user data since this cannot be undone. We're gonna do the key right here on volume down, and we're gonna press once again. So once we do it right here, we should see our menu at the bottom left corner that all the process is being taken care of. Then once it's done, it's gonna take us back to the same menu where we will see reboot system now. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna press the power button to select the reboot system, and our tablet should be completely reset after this reboot. And here we have our Tab S8 Ultra that has been completely reset to its factory settings. Alright everyone, so that was it for today's video. If you got some valuable information out of it, please don't forget to give it a like and also leave a comment down below on what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.